Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're doing a good old-fashioned skincare unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing video for the past 2 years. They were all the rage a couple of years ago here on YouTube, but they kind of fell out of favour, and I thought, you know what, let's bring it back, because they were super fun to film. I know a lot of you guys loved watching them, and I've got a lot of new skincare today that I want to talk you through, give some first impressions, and also to get your guys' feedback on what you'd like to see a more detailed and follow-up review on. So, sit back, relax, let's unbox some new skincare. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know what your thoughts are on unboxing videos. Sound off in the comments section below. If you want to see this become a more regular feature here on the channel, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and a like. By giving the video a like, honestly, it's the best way of supporting me as a content creator, because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So we're going to keep this video super chill, super casual and chatty, so kind of in no particular order. We'll just go with this box first, which is actually from Medik8. Now, I know in these unboxing videos, I should be actually unboxing them from scratch, but, you know, having the knife and the tape and that would have been a hot mess, so I have pre-opened all of these. This one's from Medik8, a brand which I absolutely love. I've got some great results from Medik8 products. A lot of the time, when it comes to like PR and brands sending content creators products, some content creators just say yes to everything to see, you know, what they like, what they don't like. I'm a little bit more selective because I hate waste. You know, I won't be using all of these products. I'll gift a lot of them away. I'm a great person to tap up if you're doing like an auction or a raffle around Christmas. I've always got products to gift you as part of that. And I always make sure that everything I have gets used either on my face, friends and family, or I give it away because I hate waste. And I always make sure that the brands that do reach out, I only really say yes to PR from the ones that I know I'm going to enjoy and actually use. A great example being Nivea recently reached out and said, could we send you some new products? They're not a cruelty-free brand, so I'm not going to use them. I'm not going to recommend them on the channel or talk to you guys about them. So it felt like a bit, it just felt very insincere to say yes to that. So I turned that PR down as a bit of an example. Medik8 I bought many times over with my own coin, so it's actually really nice to receive some of their products. So first up, we've got this. This is the Medik8 Hydrate B5 Intense. This is their new-ish to launch hyaluronic acid serum. It's got lots of calming, soothing ingredients and different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. I love that packaging. It's like a really nice purple colour, and actually the product inside is kind of a purple colour too. Let me just have a look if that. It doesn't have any colorants in, so it must be one of the ingredients in here that's giving that color. This is quite nice. Natural moisturizing factors, hyaluronic acid, panthenol. I'll probably end up giving this away because my skin doesn't like a lot of hyaluronic acid, but I love the look of the product. They've also sent their Crystal Retinol Eye Cream. This is the 3 version, which is nice. This is the one I use, so this is perfect for a bit of a top up. And then we've got their sunscreen and their C Tetra Luxe. This C Tetra Luxe is their vitamin C derivative. I like it, but the ordinary do cheaper derivatives. So personally, I think you can get it cheaper elsewhere, but still a nice option for people. This though, I think is where it's going to be like, this is where the holy grail lies. So this is their new-ish sunscreen, and I love a good pump sunscreen. And this just has a really nice blend of different UV filters. So let's see how it actually applies. Put a little on the skin there. Let's see. It feels very nice. Feels very hydrating. It is lightly fragranced. I quite like the fragrance, so that's not too bad. And actually, that, I'd say, gives a nice light level of hydration. And it's on the dewier side rather than matte, which again I quite like in winter when my skin can be quite dry. In summer I normally go for something more matte, but that actually leaves a beautiful finish on the skin. So I think of this, I'm going to try the sunscreen out in a bit more detail, put it through its paces, see how it performs. I'm definitely going to gift away the hyaluronic acid serum because I know that'll be really good, and I'll be using the eye cream because I use it every night anyway. So yeah, a nice collection of products there from Medik8. I will link all the products that I mentioned today in the description box below if you want to check them out. So this box comes from The Ordinary, and it is their new, what's the full title of it? This is the Aloe 2% plus NAG 2% solution. I've actually already bought this with my own coin. Very lovely of them to send me this. I already bought this with my own coin, and I've reviewed it after like 30 days, which I'll leave a link to that up there if you did want to check that video out to see how this performs. I was really prepared to be underwhelmed by this when I first tried it, thinking, aloe, there's nothing that revolutionary there. I wasn't sold on this product and what it would do, but actually I got some really good results after 30 days. I think it's a great option for calming, soothing, and at the margins, minimizing hyperpigmentation. I don't think it's going to change the world, but for the price point, I actually think it's a really, really good serum. So check out that full review I did for some more details of that. But yeah, it's nice of them to send that. And they also sent me a couple of weeks ago their new cleansers and moisturizers, and I think this new batch of launches from The Ordinary, definitely some of their best. Last year's launches weren't great. This year, I think they're doing really, really well. Now this is it when it comes to the sort of PR that I love to receive. So this is a full box of products from Allies of Skin and PSA Skincare, which are kind of like the same brand. There is a lot here, and a lot that I will definitely be using. So we've got the Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser. I love this. I use it in my evening skincare routine when I want to feel a little bougie, a little extra, a little luxury. When they sent this, they did as well actually include a discount code, which, not sponsored, you know, there is zero sponsorship here, but if you wanted to get 15% off Allies of Skin or PSA Skin, and I think they're currently buy one, get one free. I need to double check that, but I think all the products are currently buy one, get one free. So if you like any of their products, now is the time to buy. And if you use the code Robert, all capital letters, I'll leave it in the description box below as well, with the links to everything, you get 15% off, as well as the buy one get one free. So actually, if you like Allies of Skin but you hate the prices, now is the time to buy. The cleanser is actually the cheapest of their products and one of my favourites. These are my two favourites from PSA Skin. The Heroin Toner, which is great if you've got discoloration, little acne marks and scarring. This is great. It's got gentle exfoliants, licorice root, so many amazing ingredients. And this is the PSA Skin Light Up Mask, which is a really nice, like, 10-minute vitamin C fix, gets you glowing to the gods. These are my two favourite products. You can see them on the top shelf there. I've already used them, bought them with my own coin time and time again. So it's nice that, you know, Allies of Skin sent them to me, because I think this is when brands do PR well. Clearly they've watched some of the content, some of the videos, know the likes, the dislikes of a content creator, and actually send products that they know they're going to use, minimizes waste, but also, yeah, that is very, very kind, and I'm very, very grateful for that. What else? In here we've also got, what's this one? This is the Multi-Acids and Retinoid Brightening Sleeping Facial. Haven't actually tried this one yet, so that'll be one that I'll be trying. I think this is probably one of their most expensive. I think this is like £100, so very generous of them. But let me know, do you want a review of this and a little bit more luxury skincare? Let me know, because I think that one, oh, and this one as well. This is the Peptides and Antioxidant Firming Daily Treatment. This is like the day version, this is the night version. They're both ridiculously expensive, but I've used the day version before, and it was a really nice plumping, dew enhancing peptide like facial treatment. It was really, really nice. And then finally, this is the 20% vitamin C brightening and firming serum. I covered why this is special because it contains glutathione, one of my favourite vitamin C's that contains glutathione alongside it to like double down the benefits. And I'll find a video I did talking about that ingredient and why this is special and some more affordable dupes for that. I'll find that video and link it up there if you want to check out. But yeah, that was very, very, very generous of Allies of Skin. And I like the fact that you can use the discount code with buy one, get one free. There are a couple of other products from them that I love that that they didn't send me, which is absolutely fine. So I'm going to actually buy those later tonight. And yeah, I am using my own discount code. Does that make me ridiculously cheap? Probably, but I'm still going to do it. So this box of goodies actually came from Stylevana. Now, I've bought most of my Korean skincare from Stylevana. I do also sometimes use Yes Style as well. I primarily use Stylevana because I've already set up the account with them, and I've always had really good experiences with them. I know that's not universal. Sound up, have you guys shopped Stylevana? Do you like them? Did you get good experience, bad experience? Let me know in the comment section below. I personally have only ever had good results with them, and they from time to time just send me like a random collection and selection of Korean skincare, which is nice because you can kind of try them and think, okay, I probably wouldn't have bought that, but I've tried it and I can share my thoughts. And they sent 3 products from Skin 1004, which hands down my favorite skincare brand, and these are probably my 3 favorite products from them. So that's again another example of clearly someone taking time to kind of work out what to send based on likes and dislikes, which is really appreciated. The sun serum, the best sunscreen from Korea I think there is around. This is the pore minimizing peptide ampule, so good. And this is their Seeker cream, really nice summer weight moisturizer, light, get your centella fix. I love those. And then we've got some other things that are a little bit more of a random selection. This is the Sun by My Retinol Intense Eye Cream. I already had this one and I featured it in an eye cream video, which I'll link up there. I already bought that. I like it. There were some other ones that I just preferred in terms of retinol eye cream. So this isn't one that I probably will use. I'll probably give this away, but it's a really, really nice product. We've then got in here, what else have we got here? We've got the Haru Haru Wonder. This is their SPF. Do really love this. I think if you like a mineral sunscreen, this is probably the best mineral sunscreen I've ever tried. I bought maybe 2 of them in the past. Not the biggest fan of mineral sunscreen personally. I reach for chemical sunscreens. But if you're a mineral guy or gal and that's what you like, I think this Haru Haru one is really, really nice. It's not deadpan matte and chalky, but it's not super glossy and greasy. It's just that perfect finish on the skin. And then we've got the Eye Unique Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. I'm going to try this one because I've never tried this one. And this one is the Numb Buzzing Sleep Mask. I actually really like Numb Buzzing. I think their number 3 serum is probably my favourite from the collection. So this is the Eye Unique Sunscreen. I've never tried this. We'll do a first impressions, see what I think. I do like their Centella line. I think they've got some nice products within it. Let's just see how this actually appears on the skin. So, first impressions is actually quite thick. I don't know, I expected it to be more gel-like. It's actually on the thicker side. And it's fragrance-free, which is nice. Let's see how that finishes. That feels quite nice. That's actually quite hydrating and it's got a cooling vibe to it too. I think, let me just see if I can work out very quickly while I've got you here. Yeah, it's chemical sunscreen and it's 49% Centella Asiatica. So if you like a fixed Centella in your sunscreen, I personally still prefer that Skin 1004 one. You get the Centella, I think it feels better on the skin. But this is nice. I'd say a little bit more hydrating. So if you want to up your moisture game and you're maybe not getting enough from Skin 1004, this Eye Unique one might be really good. I do know that they released the testing for this one. I saw that online, which is really nice because it's SPF 50 plus and it's PA+++++. So yeah, the fact they released the testing means you know exactly what you're getting, which yeah, I personally like. I'll probably end up giving this one away because I'm going to stick with the Skin 1004, but for the driest skinned viewers out there, I think this could actually work. And then finally on the Korean skincare, this is the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Serum. I've never heard of this, never heard of the brand, never heard of the serum, I know nothing about this. So I'm going to try this. What's it got? Vitamin tree extract, 86. I don't know what vitamin tree extract is, and it's got niacinamide in a 2% concentration. I love the niacinamide in 2%, I think that works. What's vitamin tree extract? I think with Korean skincare, sometimes things are lost in translation, which is understandable. You need to work out what that is. I'm intrigued. I might put that through its paces. Now, finally, I've got 3 just random things to share with you that arrived. So Garnier kind of sent me this. This is their micellar gentle peeling water. So this is their traditional micellar water with a 1% concentration of an exfoliating acid designed to do a peel and a cleanse all in one. In some ways, I think that's great because 1% super gentle, so you could definitely use this twice a day and have zero problem with it whatsoever. But I know a lot of people use micellar water on the eyelids, and I think that even a 1% concentration might be a hot mess on the eyelids. So not bad, but I think the risk, because we're used to using micellar water, that we're just going to stripe it all over the face and might be touching delicate areas, even with a 1% acid, could be a little problematic. But I think if you use this in the right way and avoided really sensitive areas, actually, you know, having a light exfoliation and a micellar water cleanse all in one, not a bad product. It's something different, it's innovative. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I would just say to anyone that wants to try this, I'll link it in the description, but anyone that wants to try it, just avoid the delicate eye area would probably be my advice. Boots sent me 3 products, which it's a random selection. I don't know what their thought was when they kind of pulled this together. This is their new moisturizing facial lotion with SPF. So it's SPF of 50, and this one has vitamin C in. I think they also do a niacinamide and a hyaluronic acid one. This is £8 and you get 50ml of product. So it's not the biggest quantity of product, but for the price point, I don't think that's too bad. We've had a bit of a leak in transit. Never mind. We'll try and make that work. In terms of how it applies, it is lightly fragranced. I don't mind that. That's quite thick. That is actually quite a thick sunscreen. I am putting it on top of that Unique one, so maybe that's not the best way to test this, to be fair. I tell you what, I'll wear it for a couple of days and we'll loop back with my thoughts on that. I like the idea of accessible walk into Boots, pick up sunscreen with an SPF 50, and I like the vitamin C in there. So let's do a proper test. I'll apply it and I'll let you guys know. There are 2 creams they sent me. This is Daily Moisture Shower Cream. This is one of those. Do you remember these from like the early noughties? I think these exist, where you actually you rinsed, you showered, and then before you got out of the shower, you put this all over the body. It was like a thick moisturizing cream. Then you rinsed it off, and you still got out and you were hydrated, but it didn't have that like visibly I'm wearing moisturizer thing. Didn't stick to your clothes and all that. This is that. Loads of them used to do that. I think St. Ives did one. You can't get them anymore. Well, you can with Boots. So this is their Daily Moisturizing Shower Cream. I think great. If you're the sort of person that doesn't want to moisturize when you get out of the shower, you want to do it all in one, clean yourself, put some of this on, rinse it off, and yeah, it'll kind of work. So I'm quite excited to try that. I'm going to use that in the shower and see. I remember liking that style of product before. And this is their vitamin C brightening body serum. I love the version of this for the face. They do a beautiful vitamin C infused moisturizer, which I think is like £3 and lasts forever. This is the body version of it. If this is as good as the facial one, I'm gonna love it. It smells the same. I think it is pretty much the same. It's got the yuzu extract, stabilized form of vitamin C. This I think could be really, really good. So yeah, love the one for the face, which I'll also link below. This for the body, yeah, a little vitamin C. They say in 2 weeks it's going to nourish and brighten the skin. So I might give this a 2-week trial on the body and see what I think and let you guys know. So there was quite a few other things that I think I'll save for the next video, because there was quite a lot from Revolution Skincare. I had some of these, Placid, which is one of my favourite companies when it comes to packaging. This is their acid drops, like a multi-exfoliator. I'm going to talk about this in more detail in another video, but yeah. That's quite a big unboxing. What are your thoughts? Would you guys like to see any more in-depth reviews of any of the products mentioned today? What do you think of this style of content? Let me know in the comments section below. And wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.